Are you preparing for GAT-B and confused about Section A, like physics, chemistry, maths, and aptitude? It feels too much, especially for life science students. But here is the truth, you don't need to study everything, you just need a smart strategy. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to prepare for GAT-B Section A step by step. In GAT-B, Section A includes physics, chemistry, mathematics, and general aptitude. These sections test your basic understanding and problem solving skill, not deep theory. Let's start with the most important and most scoring part, aptitude. Many students ignore this, but this is where you can score easily and focus on these topics: percentage, ratio and proportion, time and work, speed and distance, data interpretation, and logical reasoning. These are the most important topics. And how to prepare for this? These are preparation strategy. Practice 10 to 15 questions daily. Focus on speed and accuracy. You don't need advanced tricks. Even basic concepts can give you good marks, and remember, if you're weak in physics or maths, you can compensate using aptitude. Next, chemistry. This is your most scoring subject. Focus on physical chemistry basics, organic reactions, biomolecules, chemical bonding. Revise NCRT concepts daily, practice MCQs, focus on reactions but not theory. Chemistry can give you easy marks if you prepared well. For physics, don't try to study everything. Focus only on high-yield topics, especially units and dimensions, kinematic basics, work energy and power, current electricity, modern physics, especially for strategy, understand concepts, learn formula, practice previous year question, and avoid deep derivations and tough numericals. For mathematics, keep it simple. Focus only on basic algebra, logarithmics, probability, graph. You don't need to study advanced maths, just aim to solve easy questions correctly. Here is a simple daily plan. 1 hour concepts any subject, 1 hour practice questions, 30 minutes revision. Alternate subject daily. Consistency is more important than long study hours. I hope this video helped you, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more such videos, and comment down below which subject is harder for you in section A. Let's evolve together.